Okay, so for quiz 2B, calculation based on the equation. First equations, okay, first questions, 1A. Adding which powder, zinc or magnesium? Okay, so well, like zinc, magnesium, which one will process of silver formation be faster? So which one is more reactive? Of course, it is magnesium. Okay, 1 mark for that. Explain why the magnesium powders help obtain silver faster than the magnesium ribbon. So you have to know that ribbon means, okay, just like things like this, okay, just like a strip. Powder, okay, it means very fine, small granules, things like that. So you'll find that, okay, powder will help faster, okay, in the reaction because we have a larger surface area for reaction. So therefore the speed, okay, the speed of the reaction normally will be faster. So 1 mark for that. Okay, remember powder, okay, look like this, ribbon, okay, just like strip, okay. Oh, and then next question C. How many grams of magnesium powder should be added in order to silver nitrate to obtain 5 grams of silver? So you have like magnesium adding into silver nitrate, okay, and then they will give magnesium nitrate and then silver. So this one, write down the full equation first, okay, and then you can put 5 grams of silver and you're looking for how many grams of powder. So the first things you have to calculate the number of mole of Ag, so it will be 5 over 107.8. Maybe yours relative atomic mass was slightly different from mine, but it will be alright. Okay, roughly it will be this one. Okay, and then the number of mole of Mg would then be 0.0464 divided by 2 times 1. 2 times 1, okay, so you have like 2 times 1, okay, so this one will be equals to 0.0232 mole. Okay, and then finally you can find the mass of Mg. Mass of Mg would then be 0.20232 times 24. Some of you may be using 24.3, but that will be fine. Okay, so this one will be roughly around 0.557 gram. Okay, so for this one, okay, you have like 1 mark for calculating the number of mole Ag, 1 mark for calculating of Mg, okay, and then 1 mark for calculating the answers. Okay, so last part, okay, will be same equation. I think should be Mg plus silver nitrate and then give magnesium nitrate plus Ag. Okay, so you have like 0.8 gram of zinc, 0.8 gram of zinc, and then you're going to find out how many gram of silver. So the first one, okay, you're going to have like number of mole of Mg will be 0.8 over 24. So this one will be 0.8 over 24. I do some math wrong. Okay, so this one will be 0.033 mole. Okay, while the other one, okay, you can find an Ag. So therefore will be 0.033 divided by 1 times 2. Okay, divided by 1 times 2. So this one will be 0.0066. Okay, and then the mass of silver would then be 0.066 times 107.9. Is it 107.8? Okay, so 0.066. So it will be 7.11 gram. Okay, so 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Remember, you give mole behind it. Okay, so that's question 1. So question 2, okay, for this one, the first part, okay, to write the equation for potassium with oxygen to give potassium superoxide. So A part, okay, will be K plus O2. Superoxide is KO2. So this one is pretty simple, just like this. Okay, and then question 2, okay, you have potassium superoxide, and then we'll react with water, and they will give out potassium hydroxide and oxygen. So this was slightly difficult to balance, okay, but anyway, we'll try to put it 2 right here first because we have 2H. Okay, and then afterwards, okay, we got 2K here, so you have 2K here. So on the left hand side, we have like 4O, 1O, or 5O, while the other side you have 2, and then this one, okay, you want to make it 5, okay, so therefore maybe do a fraction style, okay. So that will be easier, okay, because if you do like that, that will be 5 in total, okay, on the right hand side. So all you need to do is multiply the whole equation by 2, so therefore you have KO2, 2H2O, 4KOH, and then 3O2. Okay, so this one is the second equation. So part C, okay, you have to do the math. Okay, this time we are having first equation, K plus O2 became KO2, and you have like 3.91 gram, and then you have like 2.56 gram. Okay, so for this one, okay, you're looking for the gram here because we got two masses. Okay, so therefore you know that, okay, we are dealing with limited reagent. Okay, first of all, okay, we don't have much spacings. Okay, so you have like 3.91 gram. Okay, you divide it by 39.1, so obviously it's 0.1 mole. Well, while the other one is O2. Okay, so we have like 2.56 divided by 16 times 2. So this one will be 0.08 mole. Okay, so just random pick one to react with 0.1 mole of K. We need 0.1 times 1 divided by 1 equals to 0.1 mole of O2. Now we have 0.08 mole O2 only. So this one is less than what we want. So therefore O2 is limited. Okay, so if O2 is limited, then we know that, okay, for the KO2 part, okay, we're using O2 to calculate KO2. So you have like 0.08 divided by 1 times 1, so it will be 0.08 mole, while the mass of it, okay, will be 0.08 and then times 39.1 plus 16 times 2. So the answer for this one should be 5.688 gram. Okay. Okay, so you have like 1 mark here, 1 mark for this statement. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, the third mark. Okay, the fourth mark here. Okay, so I need you guys to write a statement like this. Okay, please work it out. Okay, so last question. Oh, right equation. So this one is simple. Okay, yeah. First part. Second part. Okay, you have like 2.92 gram of HCl, and then you have the 3.27 gram of zinc. Okay, and then you have to calculate the hydrogen. Okay, so for this one, okay, you have to again, so 65.4, so this one will be roughly 0.05 mole, while the other one, okay, will be HCl, and you have like 2.92 over 1 plus 35.5, so this one will be 0.08 mole. So statement comes to react with 0.05 mole zinc. We need 0.05 divided by 1 times 2, and we have like 0.1 mole of HCl. But now we only have 0.08 mole. O2 is less than expected, so therefore this one will be in O2 will be O2 is limited. Okay, so sorry, not O2, get crazy. So this was HCl, so HCl will be limited. So for the H2, we'll then be using HCl to find H2. Okay, so you have to divide it by 2 times 1. Okay, you have 2 times 1. Okay, so divide by 2 times 1, and then you got like 0.04 mole. And then for the mass of H2 you calculate would that be 0.04 times 1 times 2. So this one will be 0.08 gram. Okay, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark for the statement. Okay, and then 1 mark for calculating the number of mole. So total 4 marks here. Okay, so that's all for the quizzes. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.